In this video, let me share with you how to set up automatic freight and install charges on your codes. Let us start by going to the product settings, which you can find from the side panel of the page. Then click on the freight and install button. The next thing you have to do is create brands to map all your install and freight charges accordingly. So click brands from the left side of the window, and the brands in this section will show you the name of your install and freight providers. Let me show you how it's done for installation. Press Create Brand. Put in the name of the install provider, let's say Codetrite. Select Installation under Type, and then save it. You may confirm that the installation brand was successfully added once you select Installation from the drop-down list. As you can see, Codetrite is successfully added from the list. You can create as many install brands as needed, and the same process will apply for your freight providers. Once you're set, go back to Freight or Install section and set up the needed charges. So click Create Freight and Installation button, then select the company you would like to apply it to. So type is mandatory, so select if it's a freight or install charges. Let's proceed with the installation. Then you may toggle on the next button if you wish to have the installation discountable. Then we also have here the inclusion type. Selecting total means that the install cost will be applied on the total price. Apart from that, it will only give you a few information to enter, including the installation name that will show up when coding. So let's put in installation fee for rollers. So this will help you easily identify which installation charge was added. We also have here the price structure and its corresponding price. If you select product though, under inclusion type, it will generate more fields to fill out. We have here the brand. We can select the one we previously created, which is Codetrite. And we have your different toggle settings which are disabled by default, although you can activate them depending on your company's needs. The next field we have here is the price structure. Select the one you need, but for this example, let's use flat price. Then put in the actual amount of the installation. Let's say $50. Then you may put in any markup or discount if needed. Let's put in 100 for now. Lastly, we have here the brands and categories. This will apply to all products when they are selected on a code, although you may choose individual products if in any case the install cost will only apply on selected items. So I'm going to select TWC. Since this is an install cost for rollers, let's select roller blinds. With the setup, all products under TWC 2022 roller blinds will have an installation cost of $50 plus 100% markup. You may save it once done. After saving it, you can see it at the bottom of the list, which you can also edit or delete if needed. The same process will apply when creating freight costs. So that's it for now. Please see our separate video if you want to only change extra freight or install on specific options in a product.